Thank you for clicking on our What Makes a Good Operational Model video. I am Andrew Berkley, a director here at F1F9. First up, what is an operational model? It is established market practice to develop an operational model for project-financed assets following financial close, designed specifically for the purpose of ongoing monitoring of the asset's performance. An operational model will be updated to reflect the actual performance to date of an asset and overlay this information onto the financial forecasts for the remaining life of the asset. The operational model is used to reforecast for the remaining asset life to reflect actuals to date and known changes to assumptions throughout the rest of the asset life. The primary purpose of the operational model is to give comfort to senior lenders and shareholders that the asset is performing in line with expectations and is not in breach of any lender's covenants. What makes a good operational model? First and foremost, it needs to be easy to use and to update. As an asset manager, you will need to be updating the model monthly, quarterly, or semi-annually. You may well have a large portfolio of assets and have many models, all needing to be updated at the same time. Therefore, it is important that the process is as simple as possible. We structure our models to ensure that the update process is painless and work with our clients to make sure that the interface with their reporting systems is as smooth as possible. It needs to be transparent and traceable. With any model, it is important that the user can easily understand what is going on and, from a given output, can easily trace back through the model to source information. There are few things worse than having to spend hours unpicking complex formulae to understand the model logic. At F1F9, we rigorously apply the FAST standard, which means that all of our models are developed with the reviewer in mind, and the use of complex formulae is kept to a minimum. It should be tailored to your requirements. Many financial models are template-driven. They include a huge amount of functionality which caters for many alternative commercial structures, only one of which will be needed on any particular deal. This means that the models are big and bloated. They include lots of redundant calculation logic and can be difficult to navigate and understand. All of our models are tailor-made for each individual asset and client. This ensures that the models are light, simple to navigate, and include no redundant functionality. The input and output structures are tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients to ensure that the update process is slick and they get exactly the information they require out of the model. It needs to be flexible for future development. It is rare that over the 20 to 40 year life of an asset that the financial structure remains unchanged. It is likely that an asset will go through multiple refinancings throughout its lifetime. This results in a need to amend the financial model. The FAST standard drives a modular approach to model development, which means that it is easy to amend models for future changes with confidence, without damaging the overall integrity of the model. Our next video gives an overview of what an F1F9 operational model looks like, to give you a clearer view of what to expect when you work with us. Many thanks.